Hi traders, this is a very bullish market, and here you can have all this, see all the support. Here is the area that on the last Fed day in December where we launched up from, and this is the bar that yesterday's Fed day gave us on Fed day minutes, and here we are pushing right back into 18,000, not far off it as we speak, still with an hour and a half to go till the market closes. Non-farm payroll tomorrow, so we could even push higher. Non-farm payroll can be very volatile. It's end of the week, so if you are going to trade it, be careful, be cautious. But any pullbacks to round about the 800 mark, 850 mark are a potential for a buy to see if we can at least retest the 18,100 highs and possibly break through and go higher. Massive move. A couple of charts I like. The pound yen, we had UK rate decision today. Everything's stayed as before, which was all expected. And we can see we've come back to a major pivot level here on the pound yen, and we are got a second day higher, so that looks as if we could start to see 18,200, 18,300, etc. So if you want to get involved with this one, I would suggest you might want to look at 180, 40, 50 area if we see that again. Obviously the market's not closed yet, and see if that can work. On the subject of the pound pairs, I'm long this one. This is a very, very interesting chart. It's got a 4-hour hammer in it, which we've broken up through. So the 4-hour hammer is around at the 550 mark. We're currently 610. This, I've had a huge move here. Wham, pullback, starts to flap around, and we drop back into a support area, push up, pull back, push up, and we pull back. So if we can base here, we could get a push into 195 plus, but one step at a time. We've still got a lower close. It's still obviously a few hours before this closes, but it's still in this current downtrend until we close at least one blue bar. This is still on downtrend, and that's why I've not got a big position, and happy to get stopped out if it comes back on me. But in the meantime, I am prepared to start to look to get into this one. If it builds, then I will add. So I need a close now above 186.50. Then I'd buy any pullbacks to the 186 area, and then see if we can start to build. But like I said, that's not got a reversal signal yet. So at the moment I am counter trend trading with a small buffer, and we'll see how we go. US dollar, back to the yen pairs a second. US dollar yen, that's looking stronger than pound yen. Pound US got a bit of a bounce today. So we haven't quite touched 150, which I've been talking about all the time. We've not touched 150, and we don't have a higher close. That too has not got a reversal signal. Right, Euro US is still down there, sitting on a monthly pivot. I would leave that be. Euro yen, it's in no man's land at the moment. It's got a lot of support underneath it and a lot of resistance above it. So sit tight, but it does look as if that wants to see 140. What I would prefer to do is see that rise to about 142. If we get a sell signal up there intraday, I'd short that to see if we can then get down to 140 and lower. ECB meet on the 22nd, which the market is expecting a high level of stimulus from the ECB. Alright, that's all I've got for you, and hope that helps, and see you next up.